Patients who, for example, have had a spell in hospital with severe pneumonia, or perhaps have been unfortunate enough to have to go to the intensive care unit, quite often have some significant scarring in the lungs, and indeed may have problems in other organ systems. So they may have muscle weakness, they may potentially have heart problems or kidney problems as a consequence of having been to ICU. So these patients obviously will take some time to recover from that. Most of the evidence suggests over time that a lot of the damage caused by severe acute COVID does resolve, but some patients are certainly being left with significant impairment even some months after the initial episode. Particularly, for example, we're seeing patients who've got a lot of fibrosis in their lungs. The other group of patients are patients who weren't severe enough to need to come to hospital, but have been left, despite not being in hospital, with symptoms typically a month or so after the acute episode. We're seeing people who've got breathlessness, they may have ongoing cough, they often have muscle weakness, but fatigue is one really important symptom. So people are very tired and find it very difficult to get back to their previous levels of activity.